Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today is February 15th. It is Wednesday, February 15th, and this is your voice commentator, the legendary Railfan Ralph here at Whipple Street, Railroad Crossing, milepost 160.60. And this train is POWA, Portland, Maine to Waterville, Maine train. This train came out of Danville Junction, Maine, and again it's headed up to Waterville, Maine. It looks to be a relatively short train today. It's hauling tank cars. Again, that was POWA, Portland, Maine to Waterville, Maine train, the very short train. For now, this is the legendary Railfan Ralph, the pride of the Railfan fleet here in Lewiston, Maine. I hope you all have a great afternoon. We'll see ya.